Lesson 33. Division with zeros in the quotient. That really confused me for a second. All right. The answer to a division problem is called the quotient. 4 steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So, example number 1, divide 6 by 365. So, first thing you say is, can 6 go into 3? No, so you put an X. And then you say, how many times can 6... How many times can 6 go into 36? And the answer is 6 times. So you take away 36 from 36, you get 0, and then you bring down the 5, and you say, how many times can 6 go into 5? 0 times. So the answer is 60 because you have to bring that 0 up, and then it's just a remainder of 5. So since we can't divide 5 by 6 once, we write a 0 in the quotient and multiply, which you can't do, and then subtract. And since there's no other number to bring down, the division is finished and the remainder is 5. And so our answer is 60, remainder 5. And we can check this by saying 60 times 6, but that 0 can hang off, so you could go 60 times 6, and that gives you 360, because you're going to bring that down, 36, and then bring that down, and then plus 5, which is your remainder, and you would get 365, and your answer checks out. Example 2. A train traveled 630 kilometers in 6 hours. Find the average speed of the train by dividing the total miles or kilometers traveled by the time traveled. So you're going to divide 630 by 6. 6 can go into 6 one time. Subtract 6, 0, bring the 3 down, or 3, and 6 can't go into 3. So we're going to bring that 0 up, and then you're going to bring the 0 down, so you have 30, which you can't hardly tell that says 30, but it does. And so next you divide 6 divided by 30. Then you multiply and say, how many times can 6 go into 30? 5 times. Take away 30 is 0. So our answer is 105 with no remainder. So the average speed of that train was 105 kilometers per hour. Example 3. To find the moon weight of an object, divide the earth weight by 6. So here's your problem. Jason weighed 115 pounds on Earth. How much did he weigh on the moon? Question mark. So he weighed 115 pounds. Divide that by 6. 6 can't go into 1. 6 can go into 11. One time, take away 6, you get 5, and then you bring that 5 down, and then you do 6 times whatever to equal 55, and you're going to take away, it's 6 times 9, I'm sorry, I was having a blank, and 6 times 9 is 54, so your answer is, I'm so sorry, guys. This is why I look at my book. You're going to estimate how much pounds he weighed. I didn't write that, so estimate how much he weighed on the moon. So to estimate that, since he weighed 150 pounds, we're going to round it to 120 and then do 6 divided by 120, which is about 20 pounds it's exactly 20 pounds on the moon. So Jason, who weighed 150 pounds on Earth, weighs about 20 pounds on the moon. All right. Lesson practice. Number 1, 61 divided by 3. 61. Number 2, 242 divided by 6. 3. 121 divided by 3. 4. 1,628 divided by 4. 5. 122 divided by 4. 6. $5.25 divided by 5. 7. $6.18 divided by 2. Since you're watching this video, please put a circle around your answer to example 2. And that will be our check, will be this circle. Number, what was I on? 8. 4,981 divided by 6. 9. 301 divided by 10. Number 10. $8.24 divided by 4. Number 11. $5.60 divided by 7. And last but not least, number 12. 4,818 divided by 8. All right, you guys all have a great weekend. See you at school on Monday.